Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, where was America's first boardwalk? Well, I'll give you the answer for this question, and the correct answer for the question is Atlantic City. And here's a bit more information about the answer. Atlantic City, New Jersey boasts the inaugural boardwalk in the United States, a pivotal site that transformed coastal tourism. Established in 1870, this structure was initially created to prevent sand from entering the lobbies of Seaside Hotel, but swiftly evolved into a popular destination in its own right. It laid the foundation for the proliferation of boardwalks nationwide, reshaping the nation of beachside leisure activities. Presently, it stands as an emblematic representation of American coastal lifestyle, famed for its historic piers, thrilling amusement rides, and varied attraction. Well, that is the answer for the question. Atlantic City, New Jersey. That's the correct answer for the question. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Please this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.